I've been using the Roomba Max 705 combo for a bit now, and honestly, it's a game changer. I love that it vacuums and mops at the same time, and the self cleaning mop roller is brilliant because it doesn't drag dirt around. It even lifts the mop when it senses carpet, which saves me from worrying about wet messes. The auto wash dock is super convenient. It empties itself, even washes and dries the mop so there's no funky smell, and it navigates around cords, toys, and pet stuff really well, which is perfect in my busy pet friendly home. Overall, it feels like having someone else quietly keep the floors spotless without me lifting a finger. I totally recommend this. So if you are confused of which robot to buy for your home, this could be the one for you. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a good day.